We're given to understand that the Bharatiya Janata Party has sent 1 kg jalebis to Rahul Gandhi. Haryana BJP trolls the Congress party over its drubbing over the elections. In Assam, BJP takes jalebis for the Congress party. Said, we took jalebis, but the Congress office was empty. So social media posts being put out, Congress party is being trolled by the BJP. This is for premature celebrations on part of the Congress leaders. We saw Pawan Khera saying कि बीजेपी को भी हम जलेबी भिजवाएंगे, आपको भी जलेबी खिलाएंगे. And right after that, things took a turn for the worse for the Congress party and BJP started gaining. Now BJP of course won't let go of that particular issue. Let's open this up. Mukesh Tyagi of the BJP, Abid Mir Magami of the Congress and Sushil Pandit continue to be with us on the broadcast. Magami ji, जलेबी खाना भारी पड़ गया. वैसे तो मीठी होती है लेकिन कांग्रेस पार्टी के लिए खट्टी साबित हुई.
जिस तरह लड्डू भारी पड़ गए थे, आज वैसे ही जलेबी भारी पड़ गई.
क्या करेंगे फिर अब? जलेबी बीजेपी की तरफ से तो भिजवाई जा रही है आप लोगों के लिए.
तो कोई बात नहीं, जब आएगी तो खाएंगे.
मुकेश त्यागी, एंड आई थिंक यू नो दैट्स वेरी गुड. आप जो पोजीशन ले रहे हैं बहुत अच्छा है. आपकी पार्टी को शायद ही अच्छा ना लगे, लेकिन आप कह रहे हैं बहुत अच्छी बात है. मुकेश त्यागी जी, स्वागत है आपकी जलेबियों का. भिजवाइए. एटलीस्ट मिस्टर मोगामी इज वेलकमिंग देम.
मुझे लगता है राहुल गांधी जी की जो मोहब्बत की बाजार में उन्होंने जलेबी की दुकान खोली है वो जहरीली निकली और उनको ही खा गई. तो ये इस प्रकार के जो राहुल गांधी ने सगुफे छोड़े, वन ऑफ द बिगेस्ट बेनिफिशियरी आई थिंक इज द गोहाना जलेबी मेकर. हिज जलेबी इज बीइंग सोल्ड लाइक ए हॉट केक ऑल ओवर. So I think jalebi has turned out to be extremely auspicious for BJP. And it boomerang Congress. And look at, I think Congress has not done its homework properly. Congress was a mature party, but unfortunately, under the current leadership of Rahul Gandhi, the immaturity percolates down. They can't even understand what is the ground reality. I mean, maybe, you see, Haryana voters were regretting why did they contribute only 5 seats of BJP. And they understood that if the twin engine government is there, most of the benefits of the central policies will percolate to states. And they have also seen what Rahul Gandhi talks about caste division and this was the party which did not allow Mandal Commission report to get implemented. Or also caste they are not implementing in their own state where they're ruling. So there is a huge inherent contradiction, and Rahul Gandhi's statement across the world mocking upon India's democracy, people are not taking it lightly. I think Rahul Gandhi should need to change his vocabulary, his lexicon. He needs to undergo his, I think, reskilling program. He is completely now a blown out balloon. Okay,
before I come to you, Sushil Pandit, let's take a look at that moment. Before the trends change, how the jalebi party happened, and after the trends change.
पटाखे चल रहे हैं, जलेबीज बीइंग डिस्ट्रीब्यूटेड.
आपको भी खिलाएंगे, मोदी जी को भी खिलाएंगे.
कब खिला रहे हैं?
अभी आ जाइए एआईसीसी. अभी जलेबी आपको आज भी खिलाएंगे, कल भी खिलाएंगे, और प्रधानमंत्री जी को बता भी दीजिएगा. 10 साल से इस देश के प्रधानमंत्री हैं, उन्हें मालूम नहीं है कि फैक्ट्री में जलेबी मिलती है, बनती है और बाहर भी जाती है विदेशों में.
They are still on the 8th round, whereas 12-13 rounds have already taken place, and this has been a trend for the last 2 or 3 hours that the ECI website is inching very slowly, and all the reporters and channels are depending on the ECI website. Whereas in Jammu Kashmir, the ECI website is showing perfect all the rounds, they're matching. Why not the same in Haryana?